Hi everyone, welcome to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view 3D on Google Maps. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to change your view to 3D on Google Maps, then the first thing to do is to tap Open Google Maps application from the app drawer. Soon after you do that, tap on this icon at the top right hand corner and you'll be able to open up a pop-up menu. Under Map Details, tap the 3D button and close off the pop-up, and that way you'll be able to view your map on 3D with Google Maps. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.